On behalf of the whānau, I project manage this project. I'm relieved that we've achieved this because it took a lot of hard work. It really did. But I know my attention's going to be turning to the marae. We got to get that up. I guess it was fortunate too that, we've got a strong history. That's what I think. And it's good that we've got whānau who are part of our whānau, members who are part of our whānau, who know whakapapa that was handed down from our uncles in particular. And then we had whānau who have been right into the history. So we've got a wealth of mātauranga Māori. And I think that's where we're lucky.
E tuna moto haki I tēnei wā. He moemoe o tō mātua tipuna. Ka werohi ki a mātua ki te whakatū he marae, engari me tīmata mātai mā te Papakainga.
Kua whiwhia kua rawe, ko te ngāku ko tai mai nei, kua tuano I nei momo whare, mō mātake, mō tātou ake mō te whānau huata.
I was looking outside and I thought, no, it doesn't feel like the boonies, it feels homely. Feels like I'm home.
It's been mind-blowing, and it gives us an opportunity to live and breathe knowing that this is our Nanny and Papa's land. All of us now can experience Papakainga living in a new way. I can't imagine what our children and grandchildren are going to do with this space. The world's their oyster, and it's right here, and the dreams that they have can be inspired together with their whānau too. So it will breathe new life, not so much into the Papakainga, but it'll bring new life into all of us as individuals.
And kia ka mamara tunu, and koina tō mātuna I kōru kia kate, tēnei tō koutou kaina, te kainga tūturu o ngā huata, hoki mai hara mai nei. Ka pēhe ka whakamahi, me he me noho tahi rā, rua rā, kai a koe tēnā, but me hoki mai. E tino kainga tēnei kainga, he kaupapa hohonu rawa, he kaupapa manake I rongo koutou te rani nei, ka hui te huinga o te ora.
We know we got a whole lot of young girls, and in that space, whoever they were, you must tell the story. You kids, I was a puhi on that day. I opened those whare, and this papa done this, and that papa done that nanny done this. You must carry the kōrero. You must carry the kōrero that's been said by these old ones. Hey, that's your responsibility to tell it to the next generation. Kia kaha.